Hi. Alright, so basically, game had an update. Another big question. I've not been asked this, but I might think you guys have been curious. Why do I do this? It's just a fun way to move myself around because my arms get a workout every day from freaking running from horror games. Please subscribe because I'm running every day from monsters and horror games. Sweat rubbing off me. Please, my dream is reaching 1,000. That would be my only successful. It was pretty successful when we reached 500, which I was super excited for that. I also did show you my plushies. So the original takeoff of a video is I was going to show you Bobby, the plush that was in the video for our 500. But for some reason, it wouldn't let me. Like, the videos was broken, shorts was broken. Whenever I went to short, it was a short, but when I went to video, it was on short. And I was like, what? And then a lot of sweating and trying to get it. It just worked. Literally, that's all it did. It just worked. I don't really think this was that convenient, because, well, it's just snowballs. Like 7-year-olds like to brag about it, like saying that they're different than just snowballs, if you know what I mean. That's what little kids say, except me. I'm better. I'm better than those freaks. Yeah, you brain rot kids. The kids who say skibbity wrestler. I'm just saying that once. Now the better kids say better stuff. Like what the Of course, always make sure to subscribe, or I'm gonna come to your house and tickle your toes. Wait, why do I hear a backpack? We gotta get up as fast as we can. There's someone in. I thought this was a private. There's someone in this Pacific code. What code is this again? It says me. But there's someone in here. That's a little alarming. I don't really know what the update is, but I do know that I am going to buy a backpack. Bags. Yep. There we go. Let's go. Where are we going? We're going down, baby. There's always new stuff down here. Oh my god. I'm a dummy. You know why? Because the one thing you can't forget is a flashlight. Wait, there's literally a flashlight at the bottom. At least I hope. Oh look, there's a target. Hi target. Bye target. See? Told you. He's scared the crap out of me. Why in the world is that so goofy? Oh. I spell. Please let me up. I said let me up. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die cause stupid pipes. Oh my god, thank God. Wait, please. This is the thing we used to fall out of. Alright. We're seeking adventure, guys. So. Look how big that banana is. Just kidding, I've seen it before. Is there literally 2 ticking time bombs? For adventure, mission complete. Now, should we go? Let's just risk it. It's a doppelganger. Oh my god! No, 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 no! Bro, that was not cool. There's weapons. Is this actually something you can have? It's pretty useful for an old man. For hiking too. No, I don't like holding it like that. This is the better way. Alright. Not here for the bananas. Even though they look seriously nummy. We are here for the secrets of the red light, green light. The red light, green light actually came from Squid Game. And the reason they have sharp things on it so it can grab you and kill you, and it's has this for like stopping cars. So it's like you have to stop like a car. Unless if you don't stop in time, you die. This is actually pretty useful. Oh, for Jang, Chong. Just look at me running at you like that. Wait, can you? Yeah. Ivy. There's nothing. I know we're gonna die going over here. No, why? Because Big Chungus is over here. I don't like Big Chungus, so let's get away from Big Chungus. Big Chungus is bad. Big Chungus isn't good news. So let's look at the fan art. Where is the scary place? What is that? Okay. Oh my god! Did you act? up. I have my hands up. Bro just gave me a weapon. What a dummy. He joined a different code. He's good. Whenever he joins back, let's shoot him. Let's shoot him, dogs. He just came in here and shot me. Now I have the gun for him. Now I'm gonna shoot the testicles. Oh crap. Okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Just a reminder, that little clip right there is gonna beat me in a second when I was a doofus and didn't know that I ran out. Oh wait, hold up. I just remembered, I ran out of ammo. Oh frick, no. Die! Oh crap. Well, that was scary. Alright, bye-bye.